Welcome to this video, Dave, which is all about how to get the best free Forex education. And what I'm going to be talking about today is Facebook. Now, in terms of Facebook, there are a lot of Forex trading communities there. Ours is one of them. And in terms of our trading community, slightly different to most of the communities. Now, in terms of what you'll find on Facebook is there are a lot of groups which are just simply adverts for a vendor's system or strategy, don't really get any helpful advice, and other groups are just awash with spam and get rich quick schemes. Now, in terms of our Facebook group, when we set it up with a core of traders who actually do trade full-time and are professional, and also a lot of successful part-time traders. The group has grown. I've got a lot more beginners in the group as well. Now, in terms of if you are a beginner, if you join our Facebook group, what you'll be able to do is come in, ask any questions or queries that you wish related to Forex trading, and one of the more experienced traders will help, give you some advice or try and point you in the right direction. Now, in terms of if you're a more experienced Forex trader and you just want to be with people who are serious about trading, then it's another great place to swap ideas. And I think, in terms of our Forex community, it's very much about the traders. And when I say this, what I mean is we do not allow product advertising, we do not allow spam. So basically it's supervised, so that traders talk about trading and the right things. And in terms of, like I said, there's lots of Facebook communities out there you could join. Ours is obviously free. You can just try it out on the link beneath this video and just basically mix with a very diverse, friendly group of traders. Right, that is the video for today. Thanks for watching me. Hope you enjoyed the group. Take care. Have a good day.